I just wanted to do another one. Fuck it. Like, am I too smart for these? I don't park here due to the parking fees. I can't pay them, but niggas want the fade, so I'll fade them like they favorite barber. And they ain't going to no other shop because they know damn well that they gonna get they shit cropped, dusted, like fuck it. And I don't give a fuck about a buster. I bust him with that fucking buster. Like, what's that nigga name off that fucking cartoon? I think it was Arthur. Are you doing Artoon? I don't think you niggas ever fucking went to art school, so you niggas picking up a paintbrush, but you can't brush, nigga, you ain't us. I'm fucking hamming, but I do not care because I am fucking fucking drunk. But I don't care, I ain't no punk. So any nigga, if that's what the fuck you thunk, you better unthink it, because I'm done drinking and I will get the fucking binking like I'm Spinxing. But I don't do that because I'm more like Tyson, and I ain't never biting, but I'm still fighting. So if you niggas wanna come and get me, come and get me, but I guarantee I'll hit you if before you niggas hit me. I'm still off the top, and you niggas don't know that I do this shit for the fun of it. Fuck of it. I don't give a fuck who you fucking bitch, who the fuck you fucking with, cause if you ain't bringing nothing to me, I don't give a fuck if you ain't fucking with me. This is dope shit, I'm just rapping it, but I don't care. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy, because I'm employed with this music. I do this. ACE, nigga, we the truest. And shout out to all my niggas that do it. I can't name names because that is foolish. Everybody be like name drop. I be like, nah nigga, cause that ain't hot. You be tryna do all that fucking gang talk, and I be like, nah nigga, that's a gang walk. You should walk away to your fucking gang, whatever you bang, because I don't care what the fuck you niggas claim, unless it's my gang. And if you say the same, and it's okay, as long as we are tamed lions. Nigga, I ain't lying, but if you selling that bullshit, I ain't buying. And if you got that bullshit on your fucking tape, I don't give a fuck. You can play it all day, and I'll just say, hey, that was cool, but I ain't talking about you.